The Hemlock Avenue House, a testament to the visionary design of Jamie Chioco, stands as a testament to both architectural innovation and personal expression. This two-bedroom abode, nestled in the heart of East Austin's Cherrywood neighborhood, is more than just a dwelling. It's a carefully curated space that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. Chioco, the mastermind behind the project, embarked on this journey with a unique perspective. Having owned the property for 16 years, he possessed an intimate understanding of the site's potential. The decision to relocate a perfectly good 1950s house, rather than demolishing it, speaks volumes about his commitment to sustainability and resourcefulness. The design process was a deeply personal one, allowing Chioco to address the shortcomings of his previous residence. Natural light, open living spaces, and a strong connection to the surrounding landscape emerged as the primary design drivers. To maximize these elements, he incorporated 4 custom-fabricated 14-foot-tall corner windows that frame breathtaking views of the outdoors. Additionally, 4 sets of wooden sliding doors by Quantum further enhanced the home's connection to its environment. The architectural layout is characterized by 2 overlapping rectangles that intersect at the main entry. This unconventional approach invites visitors to enter through a private courtyard, rather than the traditional front door. As one steps into the home, the transparency of the sliding door systems creates a layered effect, offering glimpses of the interior spaces and the backyard pool area. The material palette is intentionally restrained, emphasizing simplicity and elegance. Warm beige modular brick adorns the exterior facades, while ash screen walls and western red cedar accents add depth and texture. The interior features a harmonious blend of materials, including ground concrete floors, white oak millwork, and white marble countertops. At just under 2,000 square feet, the Hemlock Avenue House defies expectations. The thoughtful planning and integration of outdoor spaces, such as the entry courtyard and the covered patio, create a sense of spaciousness and fluidity. When the Austin weather permits, the entire home can be opened up, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. This remarkable residence is more than just a showcase of Chioco's design prowess. It's a personal reflection of his lifestyle and aesthetic preferences. The Hemlock Avenue House stands as a testament to the power of thoughtful design to elevate the everyday living experience.